Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my beloved student. It's me, Abdullah Khair, for your English teacher at SMP Ibnu Hajar Boarding School, Jakarta. Especially this video study for English lesson using webcam, I dedicated to student grade 8, students grade 8. SMP Ibnu Hajar Boarding School, Jakarta. So, in the first semester, we would like to give you a short brief the lesson from module grade 8. Okay, so inshallah we will give to you this lesson by recording, and I will put in my wordpress.com. You can go to my blog at www.abdullahkhair999.wordpress.com for English TV lesson. Okay, so let's start for the first module of Unit 1, student grade 8. Okay, when you open on the first page at the first unit, the title it is telling you about the word congratulation. As you see the picture, actually this is a kind of picture, a party. Yeah, a party. Congratulation in Indonesia we can say that like ucapan selamat, ya, dari sebuah cerita atau sebuah peristiwa. Okay, so in this unit, before we would like to explain to you the example and the detail of the Unit 1, I give you about 4 targets for studying at Unit 1. Number 1, in this unit you will learn how to respond to transactional and interpersonal dialogues. About what? About complimenting, congratulating, requesting, and giving and asking for information. Responding, okay, number 1. Number 2, producing, or to produce transactional and interpersonal dialogues about complimenting, congratulating, requesting, and giving and asking for information. Number 3 is make ideas for responses to short functional text like making a note, making a greeting cards and postcard and others. And the last one is to produce short functional text for notes, text for greeting card or postcard. So this is the material at first unit at our module at SMP Ibnu Hajar Boarding School, Jakarta. Okay, let's start by moving at second page, section 1. You can read it at the book, at the module, at your netbook. The second one discussing about complimenting, congratulating, requesting, giving and asking for information. So dalam penjelasan seksi 1 ini adalah penjelasan tentang penggunaan kalimat-kalimat congratulation, pengucapan ucapan selamat dari sebuah kejadian, sebuah peristiwa kumpul-kumpul atau pesta dan seterusnya. Di sana menjelaskan tentang penjelasan informasi, menanyakan informasi, meminta informasi, dan pelengkapan informasi. Okay, and then we go to the next further about presentation. Activity 1. Kegiatan 1, activity 1. My beloved student, you can see on the module there are some pictures there. Picture number 1, we'll see. It is said that look at the pictures below and answer the question that follow. Picture 1. The question is, what kind of party is it? Jadi di sebelah kiri ada gambar banyak orang-orang berkumpul, kemudian mereka sedang tertuju pada satu orang yang sedang kumpul di sebuah meja. Kita bertanya dalam bahasa Inggris, menanyakan informasi. Inilah tujuan kita dengan menggunakan kalimat bahasa Inggris. The question is, what kind of party is it? What kind of party is it? Can you repeat? Okay, 1, 2, 3. What kind of party is it? Okay, the second question. You can say that, what do the friends say to the man? What do the friends say to the man? Well, actually, this picture is explaining about people having a birthday party, sedang merayakan ulang tahun. Namun demikian, dalam Islam ini terlarang karena tidak mengikuti kebiasaan contoh dari kehidupan Rasul dan para sahabat radhiyallahu anhum jami'an. So in Islam, this activity is forbidden because this is non-Muslim activity, habitual, and this is forbidden in Islam because Rasulullah SAW and other Sahaba, other companions, they didn't give us the example for this action, for this deed. So it is forbidden actually. Okay, that's another cases. But we are going to study about the language. The question is, what kind of party is it? And the question is, what do the friends say to the man? Picture number 1. Okay, continue picture number 2. The picture explaining you some people at the university or at school, for example, they use like uniform at the end of their study at the university or school, and like graduation, acara graduasi, perpisahan menuju akhir pembelajaran, So at the time we can say some question by asking 3 questions. For example, here, number 1, you can say to the picture, what is the occasion? What is the occasion? Next, why do they look happy? Why do they look happy? And next, you can say, what do they say to one another? What do they say to one another? Jadi bertanya, acara apa sih itu? What is the occasion? Yang kedua, why do they look happy? Kenapa mereka sangat berbahagia, sangat senang-senang? Yang ketiga, apa yang diucapkan satu orang dengan yang lainnya pada acara itu? Okay, this is example for picture 3. Okay, I think today is enough for our short lesson English TV by using webcam. So I will put this in my wordpress.com web. So inshallah we'll continue again in the next session. Thank you. By saying closing study of this lesson, I would like to say to you that don't forget to always see my blog, my web at www.abdullahkhair999.wordpress.com. You can see some other lessons inshallah. It's me, Abdullah Khair, speaking from SMP Ibnu Hajar Boarding School, Jakarta. See you again. Syukran. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.